Car chase like it is doing Zumba at red light. U-joint nearly ghosted and diff case cracked open like egg. Left turn produces whistle solo worthy of spaghetti western. Seat heater set to surface of sun setting customer but okay. Customer declares ride feels little odd like alien abduction. Odd confirmed by visual oddity inspection. This is what normal lower arm looks like for reference. This pretzel is what abnormal looks like modern art. 2017 F250 exhaling white smoke like vape cloud convention. Head removed because cylinder 6 scored 0 on compression test 5 still trying. Oh my head gasket threw up between cylinders party foul. Customer lives on mountain reports weak brakes on descent roller coaster feelings. Tech suspects long downhill brake spa treatment cooked pads to crisps. Engine feels little warm like pizza oven warm. Sir, your turbo whistler melted into modern art sculptor, congratulations. Interior produces mysterious water feature surprise aquarium. Yikes, free carpool. Customer bedazzled entire interior with shiny rhinestones disco fever. Few crystals okay, but full dash rhinestone armor turns airbag. Into Claymore friends, please do not pimp your safety devices.